be in this quest. Hi Pookies! Today we're gonna be playing the Dress to Impress, and I'm on my alt, but I'm too lazy to get on my main account, so I'm just gonna be doing the Lana quest here, and I haven't played it before. And I'm here with Stephen, Alex, and Cruz, and we're gonna be playing it together. Okay, are you ready?
Yes, I was born ready, and this is my alt too, so
Okay, let's go.
let's go here.
By the way, guys, we haven't played this before because, yeah.
We just found it in Discord, like.
Yeah, we just found it at TikTok, I think, right?
Yeah, I think. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
I think this is gonna be scary.
Yeah, like how can a dress-up game be scary though?
I think it's gonna be. I just seen on TikTok. There's gonna be a. Oh yeah, there's a quest too.
Okay, I think we will be in this quest, right? So this is me walking, because I don't know where to go. I don't know where to go, right? I'm walking to the village. Yeah, I just follow the lamps. I don't know where to go because
Yeah. Oh my god.
yeah. Yeah. I don't think someone has one here. Okay, go.
Oh, this is just the start. I'm so done.
Bro.
Oh my.
We're running out of time. I see the barn. I see a barn.
I think that's just.
A barn? Just a barn? It's not like the... Oh! I died. Well, that was a bad start, so we're doing it again.
Oh my god. We actually need a guide. Yeah.
Who recorded this breathing? Like,
Yeah, it's so like.
it's so realistic.
Yeah. Oh, you guys hear that? I can't hear it because my sounds are off.
Oh. I don't know where to go.
Me too. I think I'm lost again.
I found this, like, smoke. I don't know what that does. So, like... Yeah, like, why? Why just impress? Why? This is a dress-up game, by the way. How can a dress-up game be this scary? Oh, I found a house, I think.
Well, it's Lana Lord, so.
Oh yeah, Lana Lord. I found it randomly. Like, girl, they got nothing on us.
There's someone else.
Oh, what is that? Ew, what? I'm gonna hide in the barn.
I'm gonna have. Oh my god, there's.
Go in. Oh, someone has a key.
Wait, there's
What? I think we need to find keys. So, oh, it's in the kitchen. It's in the kitchen. Ah! I got jump scared. I'm walking so slow. I don't know why. Like, just impressed. Why? Oh, that scared me. A person scared me. Okay. Oh, hello. I'm walking so slow because I'm playing this on mobile. On a phone.
No. Oh my god, I have a charger.
Just pause it. What is the pause it? I'm just gonna check every spot to see if I can find a key as well. Someone deposited the teddy bear. Oh no! Oh no! The monster! The monster! Okay. There's a red key.
Where?
Where does the red key go?
Is it in the basement? Is there even a basement?
I don't think so.
Can you just...
Oh, there is. Okay.
Okay,
This reminds me of Scary Teacher 3D because of this like thing.
yeah.
Okay, and we'll unlock this thing.
Yeah. But feel like it's not something like
This is taking so long. Okay, finally. Okay, where? Where is the stuff?
Is it possible that we can
Oh,
get the monster? I saw it in TikTok before.
I think. I found a journal. I'm assuming I'm gonna take it to Lana's room. Right? Because it said deposit.
Wait, it's like I'm possessing it. Oh my god.
Wait, you're distracting the monster? Okay, good. Stay in that position.
Okay, did you guys find the
Yeah.
I'm just gonna check in my other phone so I can... Wait. Is there... Oh my god.
Now where do we go, guys?
My Discord said UCI has a quest 2 and it's gonna be scary like at the hospital.
Oh, a hospital? I hate hospital scary games. Like, it's so it's disturbing.
Yeah.
I played that one game. I don't know what the name of it is, but like,
Jump scares too, I think it says it.
what did you say?
There will be jump scares in Call Me Haley's video.
Oh, jump scares. Yeah, I think.
Because this one has a jump scare, then maybe the other one has a jump scare.
Yeah, and yeah, probably. Where's the green key?
I think it's... Oh, I see it. It's
Where?
piano.
Piano?
Yeah.
A piano or beside the piano?
I think the plant is the piano.
Really?
Yeah. The
Really?
behind the...
Oh wow. Okay, good. Okay, this is the last thing.
I think it goes to the basement upstairs.
You mean the attic?
Yeah. I'm so scared of quest 2.
Me too. Like, what if it's more scarier than this?
Yeah. I think I'm not gonna do anything.
Okay, there.
I'm so scared of quest 2.
Same. I'm gonna collect this book. It's called Greek Tales book.
Yeah, it's close.
Okay, I think this is the final thing. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Okay. Yes, we did it!
Wait, where is Lana going anyway?
Oh yeah, like I think the nail salon. She has parents. Where did they go? We need adults in this.
Yeah, wait. Who's driving it?
I think Lana. As if Lana knows how to drive.
But Lana is sitting over there.
Oh, then I don't know. I know who. Part 1. There's a part 2? Oh yeah, quest 2. Okay, cool.
I'm so scared.
Yeah. Oh, there's a nurse. There's a doctor. Whatever she is.
Oh my god, there's jumper and scream.
That's terrifying. Where do we go?
I'm going into a locker.
What is temporary room? What is this? Find map pieces. Okay, where do we find the map piece?
Wait,
Bathrooms. There's a bathroom in here.
I think go to the map.
Oh, I don't know. Okay, I don't know where. I don't know where to find one. Oh, someone found one. Okay, cool. Where is the cafeteria?
I don't know. It looks like it in the picture.
Okay, I don't know where, but like, what is this? Oh, I found the cafeteria.
Okay.
Someone already collected it, I think, because I don't found any like E or like anything. This is terrifying. And all you're doing is gonna connect music, or you're gonna listen to like Six the Musical, Hamilton, Baby Shark. Head nurses, Julie's office. Ah! I got jump scared. Ah! I got jump scared by the nurse twice.
One left.
I think. No, because it's 6 and we collected 3 or 4, I guess. Because if that counts as a map piece, then we need to find 2 more.
Oh yeah.
See? My math is mathing.
Yeah, this is this is okay. Yeah. We're not going now. We're gonna find the items.
Yeah. I'm going to the recreational room. See if there's a map piece there. Locker. Oh, I found a map piece! What? Why is Ellie and Mason house in here? Ellie and Mason house. Okay. Okay, Ellie and Mason house. I think we need to find 2 or 1 more.
Yeah, I'm so scared.
I'm scared
But
too.
Wait, Call Me Haley says you need 1 more. You need to alert the nurse.
I did. I already did that. Oh! Oh no! Oh no! 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 I found a knife. I don't know.
Wait,
I think Julie. Yeah, Nurse Julie. Because I saw it on TikTok. So. Where is? I think it's in the bathroom. Where is it? I found the last map piece, I think. Yes. Okay, okay, good. Let's just win it. Bro, I got jump scared. Let's just swing it. Oh! What is this?
I'm scared.
Oh no! Ah! What is this? Is this a chase scene? It's like doors. It's like doors. died.
Ah!
I died. Oh no. Well, you guys, we're gonna end this video here. Comment down below if you want a part 2. Okay, that's it for today. Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.
Bye. See you next time.